Welcome. Natco Pharma shares latest news. It rallied 4% after GST cut on their cancer drug. Now we will see the trading strategy without technical indicators. 1 year trend uptrend only, 6 months uptrend only, 3 months also uptrend, 1 month uptrend only, 5 days somewhat sideways. Now we will see the entry exit levels, how to trade without technical indicators. We will see the 1 hour chart. It will be very useful without indicators. Now the natco pharma share price is just above the strong demand zone, below the major supply zone, you can see. So it is the just touching the upward trend line, 1 day trend line. So it is bullish only. If it breaks down below the trend line and the strong demand zone, it may come and touch the major demand zone. If natco share price breaks down below major demand zone, then it will come to the strong demand zone, and below again it may come to the demand zone 1. So if you want to know how to take entry, that I will tell. Either you have to take entry at demand zones or after breakout of supply zones. Please like, share without fail. I am not compelling you, but when you come back again to refer my levels, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is purely based on supply and demand, no indicators. 94% success rate. Disclaimer: I am not a share market consultant. This is purely educational purpose only. How to make entry, I will tell later on. Now breakout, what will be the target, that I will tell you. There's a major supply zone, it has to give a breakout. Then it may target the reversal line, and there is a stop loss hunting bear line is there. The breakout must happen with big candle and strong volume. Then it may go and touch the stop loss hunting line, and provided it should give a 1 day close above the reversal line at 1593. Then at stop loss hunting line, it may be roaming here and there for at least 1 day or 2 days. If again breakout happens with big candle and strong volume, it will target the all-time high. Above that, the next high will be at 1660. So now I will tell you how to take entry and exit, where to take entry and exit. If you see, this is my Paytm share. Already I have told. I gave the call on 31st. You can see one my demand zone. After 2 days, it came near to my demand zone, and then from 1 it went up to my supply zone. Again 2, you can see the wick. From there it went up to my heavy supply zone, and it just closed below on that day at 3. You can see again from 3 there was a breakout, gap up opening next day. Up to 4 it went. You can see my supply zone 4 is supply zone 1. From there it came down. This is the power of supply and demand. Another example, you can see this is State Bank of India, 1 strong demand zone, it took some support. Then heavy demand zone 2, from 2 at my heavy demand zone 2 it went up to supply zone 1. Next day it opened gap up at 1 and 2, it went up to supply zone 1, and from there 3 you can see just a doji formed. And next again, this is the way of making entry. Tangamel jewelry, I gave the call on 5th September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost for 5 days it took support at my demand zone 1. From there, today it gave a breakout above the major candle, major supply zone, and it just, you can see the power of stop loss hunting line, black line, clear hunting line. Just after touching that, it reacted and came down. 7, you can see. So this is the power of supply and demand. Thank you. Without trading, without technical